Creating a Chase bank account online is a convenient process that can be done from the comfort of your home. Here's a step-by-step guide. Visit Chase website. Go to the Chase website using a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Choose account type. Browse through the various account options offered by Chase, such as checking accounts, savings accounts, or credit cards. Select the account type that best suits your needs. Start the application. Click on the Open an Account or Get Started button to begin the application process. Provide information. Fill out the online application form with your personal information, including your name, address, date of birth, social security number, and contact details. Verify identity. Chase may ask you to verify your identity by providing additional documentation, such as a driver's license or passport. Fund account. Once your application is approved, fund your new Chase account by transferring money from an existing bank account or depositing a check remotely using Chase's mobile app. Set up online banking. After funding your account, set up online banking and download the Chase mobile app to manage your account, track transactions, and access other features. Receive welcome kit. Finally, expect to receive a welcome kit from Chase in the mail, which may include important account information and documents.